These happy donkeys are among the 300 plus animals who have found a safe haven. But just a few years ago, their lives were anything but happy. In Maharashtra's Sangli, Kolhapur, Solapur and Satara districts, sick and malnourished donkeys are forced to carry heavy bricks. Their guardians, too poor to feed the donkeys or afford medical care, leave the animals to fend for themselves. Often, the donkeys ingest plastic when grazing on trash, which causes severe health problems. Animal Rahat engaged in grassroots level discussion with this community, urging them to stop using donkeys in brick kilns. Animal Rahat also offered financial aid and guidance on alternative livelihoods. After initial resistance, they agreed to switch to small tractors and rickshaws to transport bricks.
माझं नाव मारुती संभाजी मोहिते. मी राहणार जयसिंगपूर. माझा व्यवसाय हा अंकली आणि कोथळी इथे 15-16 वर्ष माझा व्यवसाय आहे. मला ते गाढवांचं आणि गाढवाकडून काम करून घेण्यासाठी
15 जनावर असताना काय धंदा करायचं, पावसाळ्यात मरायची जायची चोरीला, काही फायदा नाही, काय नाही.
वारंवार आम्हाला आयडिया देत होते, तुम्ही ट्रॅक्टर घ्या, टमटम घ्या.
चांगले आहेत. आम्ही धंदा सोडून टाकला तर माळव्यात आम्ही सगळे कुटुंब.
त्याच्यामुळे आज मी माझे परिवार, आमचे गाढव सगळे सुखी आहोत.
The donkeys were retired to a Rahat sanctuary, freeing them from lives of endless drudgery. Now, they no longer haul even a single pebble and live their days happily, surrounded with friends and caregivers. From 2015 to 2024, Animal Rahat successfully mechanized 34 brick kilns, freeing over 360 donkeys. This initiative has created a win-win situation, demonstrating the positive impact of compassion and innovative solutions.